Inheriting your parents' home in Wisconsin is often framed as a financial blessing, but if you are the one actually standing in the middle of that house right now, you know the truth. You didn't just inherit a piece of real estate. You inherited 30, 40, or 50 years of stuff. Every closet, every attic, every corner of the basement is packed with memories. Today, we are breaking down the exact numbers and the massive emotional toll of the inherited clutter trap and showing you a way out that protects your peace of mind and your wallet. Let's look at the hard data for Wisconsin in 2026. Sorting through a family estate isn't just emotionally exhausting, it is incredibly expensive. If you decide you don't have the time to haul boxes and want to hire a professional estate cleanout service, be prepared to write a large check. For a standard 3 to 4 bedroom family home in Wisconsin, professional cleanout services are currently averaging between $3,000 and $6,000. If the home has heavy clutter or decades of accumulation, that number can easily soar past $10,000. Think you can save money by doing it yourself? In the Milwaukee and surrounding areas, renting a single 20 to 30-yard roll-off dumpster costs between $450 and $900. Most inherited estates require 3 to 5 dumpsters to completely clear. You are spending thousands of dollars just to throw things away, not to mention the back-breaking labor. You're giving up every single weekend for months, and the financial drain doesn't stop at the dumpster. If you want to sell this house on the traditional real estate market, your realtor will demand that the property is completely empty, broom-swept, and staged. While you spend 3 to 6 months slowly clearing out the house, you are bleeding money in holding costs. Wisconsin has some of the highest property taxes in the country. While that house sits vacant, you are paying those taxes. You are paying for the heat in the winter, the electricity, the water, the lawn care, and the vacant home insurance. Once the house is finally empty and listed, the average Wisconsin home is currently sitting on the market for around 77 days before closing. That means you are looking at nearly a year of paying bills for a house you don't even live in. You shouldn't have to bankrupt your time, energy, or savings just to settle in a state. At Fair Deal, we are local Wisconsin cash home buyers, and our promise to you is simple: take the memories and leave the mess to us. We buy inherited homes exactly as they are, 100% as is, clutter and all. You go into the home, take the photo albums, the family heirlooms, and the items that actually mean something to you. And whatever is left, the heavy sofas, the boxes in the attic, the old appliances, you just leave them right where they are. You don't have to sweep the floors, you don't have to rent a single dumpster, and you don't have to spend $6,000 on a cleanout crew. We factor the cleanout costs into our own backend, handing you a fair cash offer so you can close on your timeline, in days, not months. We take on the heavy lifting so you can focus on what truly matters right now, your family and your peace of mind. If you've inherited a Wisconsin property and the thought of cleaning it out is overwhelming, let us help. Reach out to Fair Deal today for a free, no-obligation cash offer. Let us take the weight off your shoulders.